Okay, now let's take a look at how this will work if we want to export our project. And let's pretend that your entire podcast is done. It's all sorts of amazing. And we're going to come in here and we're going to go with File. We're going to go to Export. And we're going to choose Media. Okay, now over here on the side is where you're going to set everything up. And you need to choose first what it is that we want to work with. Okay, well, H.264 is a video format. This isn't a video project, it's an audio project. Let's go down to MP3. That's what we're going to want, okay? And then we can choose our quality levels. Let's go ahead and bump that to 256. And right here, click on the name. This is where you're going to save your file, okay? I would strongly recommend saving it in your project folder. And we're going to call this Ben Pingle interview project, and we're going to hit save. Notice how it's putting it for the MP3. That's just right. Now, because it's MP3 and just the audio, we don't really need to worry about all of these different settings, and we're just going to hit export. And you'll see some of these rendering and things like that screens, and then it'll bump over, it'll encode it, and what do you know, I now have an exported audio file that I can then jump over to SoundCloud, upload that, and you're good to go. Just a heads up, as you look at your files, okay, I can now see that that exported file is right here, ready to go. I can see how long it is and all those things. You cannot take this pr.proj, that is the file extension for Premiere. Keep this handy, you'll need it for later. But you can't upload that to SoundCloud. Sorry. It does have to be the MP3 or WAV file format in order to go up there. So, all right, nice and easy. You've got this, and I can't wait to see how your file comes out.